Hi there, I'm Kate Wharton, and this is Chapter 2. I'm going to write this out. Chapter 2, Section 2.2. Again, I apologize for my terrible handwriting. I'm hoping as I go along my ability to write legibly with this tablet pen will improve, so thank you for putting up with me. So I'm looking at how to make a stem and leaf diagram. This is a very simple diagram, but it's one of my favorites for organizing data. So here we have a bunch of test scores, and this is sort of test 1 from last term. This was Business 210 in the fall. So here are the test scores. So if you want to make a stem and leaf diagram, first of all, you kind of look at the range of the test scores, and I see, okay, it's 100 down to the 60s, and maybe a 40s in there. So you start with, they call these the stems. This 10 will represent 100, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, I could keep going to 3, but nobody scored in the 30s. Then I like to draw a line here, but not everybody draws the line, just to help me differentiate. And then I usually just go off, start here, 80, 80, 95, 95, like this, 70, 47, you can see how exciting this is, 92, 62, 65, 85, 90, 93, 88, 83, 92, isn't this exciting? 100, good job, person, 84, and 70. So here's what I like about stem and leaf diagrams, is they're quick to make, so just boom, you just put them out there. It shows you roughly, it's a quick way to, roughly the shape of the distribution, so you can say, it's going to be hard for me to draw. Whoa, like that. So it shows you the shape of the distribution. I could have drawn it the other way. And if you were thinking of this as down here in the 30s and this at 100, okay, ready? Got to wait for the transformation. The distribution would be more like this, and the center, sorry about the weird angle here, that's kind of the middle of that hump there, is in the 80s and 90s. This is very loose. This is not like a really strict mathematical thing here. So you can tell that this distribution is actually, this is on the left, so this is left skewed. Some people call that negative skewed. So what I like about making a stem and leaf is it's a great way to organize this data really quickly. It shows you the shape of the distribution, and it maintains the individual scores. So I can show this to my class. Every class gets a stem and leaf after the test, and they get to see. And you say, oh, I see how many people scored 70. Everyone goes, oh, who scored 100? Oh, somebody scored 47, or whatever. So it preserves the data, and it shows you the shape of the distribution. As a warning, Excel, the program, the excellent Excel program, which I love for many things, is terrible at making stem and leaf diagrams. You will not want to make a stem and leaf diagram with Excel. It's awful. So if you're going to make a stem and leaf, you're either going to do it by hand, like I just did, in this beautiful manner, or you're going to do something fancier, like use Minitab or SPSS. So that is making a stem and leaf diagram. It's pretty straightforward, and I find them to be quite useful. Thank you.